Okay, guys, very good afternoon, and I will be doing a midday review of the markets. We are in a bear market, and this is the chart of Nifty on daily time frame. And what is very visible is a breakdown in Nifty. So this fall, we just draw a parallel channel. Okay, so this was a sharp fall with the breakaway gap. You have, I will draw the various important moving averages. Nifty for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For 7 days, it went up, remained in range. I was actually expecting to show it some strength and bounce in wave B, do some kind of 50% retracement, but I was literally disappointed there. And it even did not retrace 38%. Okay. Now, what does it mean? It means that bears are very strong. Bearish pressure is very high. Uh, and it also indicates that we are going further down. There is a very high probability that we are going further down. And what actually happened here was that this gap, yeah, this gap proved to be a strong resistance at 25,200. So now I think this is wave A, this is wave B, and now we are going in wave C. So I will draw it for you. Wave A, then B, and then C. And now what is the target for wave C? So okay, so wave C equal to wave A at 23,697. That is very near to 200-day moving average. So it's a very obvious target. 61.8% of wave A will finish at 24,266 here in this gap. So this is again one more important zone. But I think we are going to wave 1, looking at the bearish pressure. If you remember my tweet or comment from previous days, I talked about this inside failure, this on 9th October, and see what we have here. So inside day failure on daily is very powerful concept. I know it, but I have not been practicing it. But with this validation, I will be incorporating it more and more in my analysis. Okay, so Nifty, yes, 200-day moving average right now at 23,400 is a very good target. Now we are on 17th October, so 31st October is the expiry. 2 more weeks to go. So we should be ready for this. We should be ready for this, and it will be a good level for buyers to pitch in. Okay, okay. So I will hide these moving averages. Yeah, and again this, yeah, very strong bearish action, very strong. And I think for today's target, now I will go intraday. For today, 23,694 is a very obvious target. It is, yeah, it is a very obvious target here. 23,700. Okay, I think we are going there. We are not stopping before that. Yes. Can you find a gap or something in this zone? There is a minor gap here at 24,600. Yeah, sorry, it was 24,700, and now there is a minor gap also. Can we reach this gap today itself? May not be so. May not be so. The moving average, hourly moving average, is oversold as of now, but it doesn't matter actually. Okay. And what other tool we can use? We should do this analysis. Okay, so now we come on Nifty futures. Again, Nifty futures failed to provide any support. Gap here, yes, gap is here, but it's very far. We may reach there tomorrow maybe. Okay, so but what is it, what can be the target today? We can use something like Keltner channels or Bollinger Bands for some kind of target, but I don't think it's going to be very useful. More important thing is this thing, this liquidity, the stop losses which are here, that is 24,815. We are very near to that point. If we take it down, that will be another 55 point down. On Nifty, these 55 point, yes, that will mean same thing, somewhere here. So I think we can close below 24,700 for the day. Okay. Nothing else on Nifty. Bank Nifty is also, it tried to give kind of breakout, but it also failed miserably. It also, yeah, no, it could touch. It was able to bounce to, 20-day moving average, and I think it is going down now. It is going to 49,500 at least, or even like 48, because we can simply again use fib here. Yeah, 49,500 is a very obvious target, and maybe further below. Okay, and yeah, so this is the channel. What about Nifty 500? Same thing. Nifty 500 strong rejection from 20-day moving average. What about mid caps? They were strong, but then again sharp correction. Right from I think 61.8%. No, they were above that. Nifty small cap still holding better. It is still above 20-day moving average, but they alone can't sustain market. Yeah, they alone can't. And now it is on BSE small cap. It is like a double top thing also. So that is the thing. Intraday dollar remains in very strong uptrend. I've seen it is after many days. You see such kind of strong move up without any pause, without a single, right from 30th September, last 17 days, not even a single black candle you can see. Such a strong move in dollar. It is very surprising. And more surprising than that is strength in gold. Dollar is up, everything is up, but gold is also up. Okay, not silver, it is the gold which is up. So that may be because of various geopolitical conditions. What about Bitcoin? I am holding a long position in Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is also holding better. It has given inverse head and shoulder breakout. Something like that. Or one can give multiple names to these patterns. Yeah, something like that. Or if we just remove it, a simple. Now look at this. Price went down, took the stop loss. This candle on 10th of October was a complete shakeout, and from there onwards it has been one way up. And I think various targets, it is going to take out all these liquidities. US election is the main theme. I think once US elections are over, Bitcoin will take off. This is the only risk asset which has been consolidating for this year since 10th March. That has been almost like 7 months of consolidation. And with this big shakeout on 5th August, I think bottom is done. Yeah. So this is on Bitcoin. What about my algo trades? Yes, algo trades are done. They are open. So on Nifty futures, on hourly time frame, it was triggered. Yes, it was triggered here in the first hour itself. So now, as of now, my positions, I am holding long position in gold. I am holding long position in Bitcoin. I am holding a short position in futures and Nifty, and I am holding multiple December 2024 puts in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And cash position, as you all know, it is very limited. It is just 30 to 35% of cash position. Yes, I have taken somewhat not very aggressive, but decently sized bets on bets on this index or Greater China Equity Fund. Basically, I'm betting on stimulus by Chinese government. So as of now, it is holding well. It has not filled this important gap. Okay, and I'm simply using the Chandelier exit on weekly. So my stop loss is here. I need a weekly close below this. I'm holding ETFs, Hang Seng Bs for HSI and HS Tech for this MAHK Mahak Tech. So so I'm as of now I'm on break even. So I booked profits earlier, then I built new positions. There is somewhat in notional loss, so it is a break even kind of thing, but this is where I'm long. uh, I've taken two positions in as per algo trade in stocks also. uh, Stop losses are very deep, that is 20%, 15 to 20%, so nothing on them. So I think this is good enough for midday update. I will again I will give an update on end of the day, and I hope to make more and more YouTube videos because I feel more people love to watch and listen rather than just seeing those comments on Twitter and Discord. Thanks, Atal, and very best of luck.